I've created a variety of videos that walk through examples of C code to help learners better understand the language. The following example introduces the escape sequence, which is designed to sneak forbidden characters into a text string. In this code, you will learn how to print double quotes. This line tells the compiler to include the standard input-output library, which provides functions like printf for displaying output. And this line defines the main function, which is the starting point of every C program. This means the function returns an integer to the operating system. Void means it does not take any arguments. The curly braces enclose the body of the main function. All the code inside these braces is what the program will execute when it runs. This line uses the escape sequence to include double quotes inside the string. Without escaping, the compiler would interpret the inner quotes as the end of the string, causing a syntax error. The backslash escapes the quotes so they appear in the output as part of the sentence. This tells the operating system that the program has finished successfully. Returning 0 is a standard way to indicate that everything ran without errors. The semicolon is how the C compiler knows when one statement ends and another begins. Now, let's watch the execution of this program.